Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is estimation and position. Over here, we are introducing estimation skill. Answer the questions by ticking the correct option. I have to feed water to my dog. Please choose the correct container. So over here, the child has to estimate or guess that if they have to feed water to the dog, so which of the following container they will use. So over here, it's a bowl and the next one is a glass. So the correct answer over here is a bowl. After that, Ria has to distribute 10 toffees. Which tray she should choose? So over here, this tray has 2 toffees and this tray has 10 toffees. So over here, the correct answer would be this. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को estimation skill सिखाई गई है. तो बच्चों को दिए गए क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना है और करेक्ट आंसर सिलेक्ट करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice estimation skill. If you want to take 20 children for a picnic, then which vehicle would you choose and why? Tick the correct option. So over here, the child has to figure it out that if 20 children are to be taken for a picnic, then they would choose which of the following vehicles. So the bus is the correct answer because bus is the convenient option to take the children for the picnic, as on a bicycle, in a car or in a helicopter 20 children won't be accommodated, and in a train more than 20 children can fit in. So the correct option is car. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिया गया जो क्वेश्चन है उसका करेक्ट आंसर चूज करना है, उसको टिक मार्क करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice estimation skill. So over here, two friends, Ellie the elephant and Minnie the mouse, go for shopping. Help them choose their dress. Join them to correct size. So over here, for Ellie the elephant, this would be the t-shirt. This would be the cap and this would be the shorts. For Minnie the mouse, this would be the t-shirt, this would be the shorts and this would be the cap. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को एस्टिमेशन स्किल का इंट्रोडक्शन दिया गया है. बच्चों को यहाँ पे फिगर आउट करना है कि कौन सा ड्रेस एली द एलिफेंट को पहनाया जा सकता है और कौन सा ड्रेस मिनी द माउस के लिए चूज किया जा सकता है और उनको कनेक्ट करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is practice estimation skill. Estimate the amount of water and objects needed for the following activity. So for bathing, someone needs the shower. For washing clothes, this much amount of water is required, a bucket full of water. For watering plant, this much water is required, and for drinking, this much. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को करेक्ट अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर को एस्टिमेट करना है और फिर कनेक्ट करके दी गई एक्टिविटी को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify the positions. Over here, observe the positions of the rat. Now connect the sentence to the correct picture. So over here, the child has to observe the positions of the rat given over here in these pictures, and then they have to connect the correct sentence to the picture. So now a rat is in the box. So this is the first sentence, and over here in this picture the rat is in the box. After that, a rat is on the box. So in this picture the rat is on the box. After that, a rat is behind the box. So in this picture the rat is behind the box. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को करेक्ट पोजीशन को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उसको करेक्ट सेंटेंस के साथ कनेक्ट करके ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is identify the positions. Over here, observe the position of the rat and connect the sentence to the correct picture. Over here, the child has to observe the position of the rat in this picture and then they need to connect the sentence with the pictures. So, the first sentence is a rat is under the box. So, we can see in this picture a rat is under the box. After that, a rat is between the boxes. So we can see in this picture a rat is between the boxes. After that, a rat is in front of the box. So we can see in this picture a rat is in front of the box. सो यहाँ पर बच्चों को करेक्ट पोजीशन को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और करेक्ट सेंटेंस से मैच करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone. In this worksheet, the topic is recognize the position. Write the position in the blank. So the clue is given over here in, on, behind. So the bat is on the box. So here the child has to write the correct position after looking at the picture. Cub is in the tub. Rat is behind the box. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को करेक्ट पोजीशन आइडेंटिफाई करके दिए गए क्लू में से उसको ब्लैंक में लिखना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है। थैंक यू। हेलो एवरीवन। In this worksheet, the topic is recognize the position. Write the position in the blank. So the clue is given over here between, under, in front of. Boy is between the cars. So over here the child will write between. Next is cat is under the table. Next is dog is in front of a house. So here the child has to write in front of. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को करेक्ट पोजीशन को आइडेंटिफाई करना है दिए गए पिक्चर में से और फिर यहाँ पे उनको क्लू दिए गए हैं उसको लेके ये ब्लैंक को कंप्लीट करना है और बच्चों को अपनी पेस पे ये करने देना है। थैंक यू।